Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, The Appalachian Home, and to today's video. I recently got a request to do a sign for a wreath, so I thought we would use our Cricut maker and cut our own sign with some chipboard. So I hope you enjoy today's video. So as I said, we're going to be using some chipboard and cut our own shape for this sign, but you can really use any shape that you want to cut. The chipboard that I'm using comes in packs of 3 and they are 11 inches by 11 inches. And I'm also going to be using my strong grip mat and some tape to place this down to cut this. So now I'm in Cricut Design Space, and some of these designs came from Moxie Vinyls. I actually ordered some acrylic keychains, which I'll be doing a video on soon. And some of these I created in Inkscape. I'm going to leave a link for all of these SVGs down below. But I have all of my colors laid out that I have picked for this design, including the shape of my mason jar here on the left that we'll be cutting out. Then I have my gray vinyl and my green. I have dark gray and yellow, and also pink are the colors that I'm using for today. We're going to cut out our shape on our chipboard first, and then we're going to cut out each layer of colors as it's shown on our screen. So first I'm going to type in chipboard under my materials setting to make sure that I have this correct chipboard. I'm using the heavy chipboard setting, and once I have that changed, I am ready to start cutting. On the tools that you're going to be using for this cut, you might want to make sure and use your knife blade. This is the knife blade. I did a video a while back. I'll leave a card up in the top if you want to watch that, but we're going to be using our knife blade. So after switching that out, the machine's just going to detect the tool I'm using, and it's going to start cutting it out. And this is actually going to make 24 passes, but as you'll see here in just a minute, I only had to make 11 before it cut all the way through the chipboard. Here I just hit the pause button on my machine and it had cut through, so I went ahead and just removed my mat. So now that I have my chipboard, I'm just going to go back into material settings and change this to premium outdoor vinyl because I'm using permanent vinyl. I'm also upping the pressure to more because my blade is a bit dull. So here's all my colors laid out. I'm just going to cut these as the mat shows on my screen. I'm also changing out my knife blade and putting back in my fine cut blade to cut the permanent vinyl. have all the layers cut and all of them weeded, I'm just going to be placing this clear transfer tape over everything. And instead of placing these directly on my sign, I wanted to see how this would go if I sold these decals as layered decals. So I'm just placing them on top of one another. That way if I ever decided to sell these, then I could do that. So this is just giving me some practice on layering decals. But after I get all of these layered, I'm just going to go ahead and place those on my sign. So now I have a reversible sign. I can use this for spring and then flip it over and use the other side for summer. I hope this video gave you some great ideas to get you started with some of your spring decor and summer decor, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will subscribe. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much for watching these videos. I'll see you guys back again in a few days with another video.